Going back to your Sunday, we topped out at 12 degrees, -4 for your low. It's normally should be 25 and 10 degrees, so about 13 to 14 degrees below what it's supposed to be for this time of the year. Sunset occurred at 5:05 p.m. and nowhere near the record of 45 or -19 degrees. But today's highs a bit warmer, a lot more impressive towards the west, but you can think that southwesterly flow just to get those temperatures trying to get close to 20 degrees in Iron Mountain and Marquette with 18 and 17 degrees. A little bit chillier in Escanaba at 15, but a lot more bigger winters, especially in that western tip, 23 in Ontonagon, 22 in Houghton. And that southwesterly wind blowing up to 20 miles per hour really helped those temperatures skyrocket from Ironwood to Houghton at 17 miles per hour, 20 in Marquette, and 15 in Escanaba. Those warmer temperatures are going to be helped by those southwesterly winds even going into your Tuesday. And on Tuesday, temperatures could be climbing closer to the 30-degree mark. Even on Wednesday, with snow coming in, it's going to be more of the wet snow compared to the dry snow we saw this previous weekend. And it will be a very quick moving system as the clipper pushes towards the east by Thursday, and we're going to have a lot more quiet times from Thursday all the way to Saturday, which is Christmas Eve, which will provide excellent traveling conditions as the weekend begins. Tomorrow we could see a couple of isolated snow showers tomorrow, but it's going to be mostly partly sunny for a good majority of the UP as low pressure will be well into Ontario. Warmer air already starting to funnel its way in from parts of the plains, and this will try to push its way closer towards us as we go deeper into the week, and that's going to help our temperatures rise even more into those 30s, as you'll notice later on in the 7-day. But before we go into the future, let's go back to the past. This weekend we dealt with a winter storm that affected a good majority of the Wolverine State, while here in the UP, especially in Marquette, they got some really whopping numbers. Over a foot of snow at 14.1 inches. Munising just fell short of that 1 foot at 11.9. Ironwood at 9. And Ontonagon a little bit under that 7 inches of snow. But it was a really intense storm for a good portion of lower Michigan. They really got the big first snowfall of the season for a good portion of northern lower Michigan. So when it comes to these temperatures warming up, and for the entire state, we could be dealing with some snow melt throughout the afternoons, but with the evening, with that water, it's going to refreeze into ice. So there is going to be some slick roadways every single evening. So do give yourself extra caution. On Wednesday, we do see that snow pushes its way through the entire UP and into parts of northern lower Michigan. That's going to increase a best chances of snow. Accumulations could reach up to 2 to 4 inches in parts of the UP. Some isolated areas could see up to 6. Going into tonight, 15 degrees. It's going to be mostly cloudy, but it's going to be breezy with those winds, especially out of the southwest at 15 to 20 miles per hour. That's really helping that warmer air to continue going into your Tuesday as temperatures are going to rise into those low 30s. 32 in Houghton, 32 in Ontonagon, 31 in Iron Mountain. Partly sunny skies with some isolated flurries. Those snow chances really increase and double going into your Wednesday. Sunrise occurs at 8:31 a.m. 20% chance of snow by tomorrow afternoon, only down to 10 for tomorrow evening. With that clipper coming in on Wednesday, temperatures are only going to be about, once again, around 30 degrees. A little bit warmer as we go towards Friday, hovering at the freezing mark. But by the time we get towards Christmas Day, we could be dealing with a white Christmas with a 30% chance of snow. But by Monday, we could be dealing with a rain-snow mix and some icy roads, especially as it will be the busiest return day of the year when it comes to shopping. So do give yourself time on those extra roads next Monday. But overall, when it comes to the weather, a lot warmer and a lot more sunnier than it was last week.